It's your TS114 sensor that helps maintain the supplier temperature and modulates the burner. Damper goes first. That thing's rocking and rolling, man. That's not a good flame. Damper's out of whack. That's your in switch. It's making prematurely, so when it makes, it closes that switch. All right, so we do have a calibration procedure for that. Pull the blower wire so you don't have a cough or G, and you want to make sure it doesn't bottom out there. And you don't want to lock it up either way. Just make sure we're fully open.